Ate Sally, anong mas okay? I-full payment ko na yung car loan ko? 1 year na akong naghuhulog out of 5 years. Or ituloy ko na lang? Makakaapekto ba yan sa pre-approval namin? Ganito yan. Yes, makakaapekto siya. Kasi kapag nagpa-pre-approve ka, tinitingnan ng lender ang debt-to-income ratio mo. Kung may car loan ka pa na 4 years to go, counted yon as monthly liability. Bawas agad sa affordability ng mortgage mo. Pero kung i-full payment mo na yung kotse, mawawala yung monthly obligation na yon. Mas lumalaki ang borrowing power mo. Pero reminder, kung gagamitin mo lahat ng cash mo sa lump sum payment, baka ma-short ka naman sa down payment or closing cost. Balance is key. Make sure na after paying off the car, may sapat ka pa ring funds for your home purchase. Sometimes, mas okay bayaran na yung car loan mo kung nasa dulo na ng term or kung kaya mo naman na hindi masasakripisyo yung savings mo. So may advice? Check muna. Gaano kalaki pa ang balance? Gaano kalaki ang naipon mo for down payment? Kaya ba ng budget mo kung i-full payment mo na ngayon? Kung pasok lahat, paying off the car early can actually help your pre-approval. Sa madaling salita, car loan equals bawas sa borrowing power. Pero, don't drain your cash just to be debt-free. Balansehin mo rin para makuha mo both, kotse at bahay.